Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
And good day, Mom and Sir. And Crystal A. Apawa, 36 years old, single. I live in Barangay 18 at Quintal, Ilocos Norte, and Roman Catholic. I am the second child among the 4 children.
And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Okay, no child.
No mom.
No boyfriend right now.
No mom.
And what's the reason you want to work in Hong Kong?
The reason, Mom, is family financial and better salary.
And you're still living with your parents.
Yes, Mom.
Okay. And are you an ex-abroad?
Yes, Mom.
Are you a college graduate or high school graduate?
High school graduate.
So what country did you work before?
First, I work in Kuwait, finished contract mom. I work there as a household chores, like cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, and cooking.
So you're in Kuwait. How long you worked there?
2 years mom.
And how many members of the family did you serve?
4 mom.
Who are the 4 members?
1 elderly and 3 children.
So 1 elderly and 3 kids. How old
Yes.
the kids?
26, 25, 20.
So your madam before is the elderly,
Yes
a
mom.
widow,
Yes,
separated.
separated.
Okay, but her kids stay with them, with
Yes,
her.
Yes mom.
Okay. And how was your relationship between you and your employer before in Kuwait?
I can say good mom.
It was good. And how about the second employer?
Second employer, mom, is
What country?
Singapore, mom.
Singapore. How long you work in your second employer?
Only 10 months.
10 months?
Yes.
Okay, so less than 2 years. And what's the reason you didn't finish your contract here?
Oh, because I take care the special child, mom.
So how many members of the family did you serve?
3 mom.
So the kid is a special child?
Yes, mom.
So need an special attention, which is, what did you do?
Talking to my employer, mom.
No, what about the kid? How do you take care of him?
Take care of him,
Is it a girl or boy?
boy, mom.
Okay, how do you take care of him?
I play with him with sign language.
It means he cannot talk.
No, mom.
Okay.
And she's not walking.
He cannot also walk.
Cannot walk.
Okay. Do you need to take him a bath like that?
The mother, mom.
So your employer do
Yes.
that. And beside caring of him, what else did you do as a helper?
I cleaning the house, mom. Ironing, washing clothes.
Your mom is stay in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you cannot handle the 9-year-old child with the special child.
No.
That's why you decided to go home.
Yes, ma'am.
And you work for another employer again?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long you work here in your last employer?
3 years, ma'am.
3 years.
Yes, ma'am.
So exactly how many? That's what's 1 year, 2 years, and 1 year like that. You finish your contract and then you extend it.
Extended 1 year, ma'am.
So why you did not, instead of extend, why you did not renew with your employer before your contract?
Because my employer asking for extend.
So only extension. So you just have an agreement that you
Yes.
only extend.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how many members of the family did you serve here?
6, ma'am.
There are 6. Who are they?
The 1 couple, 1 elderly, and the 3 kids.
How old the elderly here?
The elderly, ma'am, I think 70.
That was 70
Yes.
something. Okay.
Yes.
And is still healthy when you work with them?
No?
Still healthy?
Yes, ma'am. But
Grand-
the grandma is using a clutches. Using a clutches.
Clutches. Okay. So do you also need to take care of her?
Not take her, not really, ma'am.
Okay. But she can manage to eat by herself,
Yes,
take
ma'am.
a bath by herself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how old the kids?
Kids, ma'am, is 18, 16, and 10.
Okay. How do you take care, or what is your duties as a helper in the house?
I take household chores, ma'am.
Right.
Cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes. And about cooking, ma'am, is I just assist the grandma.
Also, the grandma do the cooking.
Yes.
You just assist her.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what is the reason you want to work in Hong Kong?
The The reason ma'am is family financial, of course, then better salary, then to finish our house renovation.
Okay. How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As my employers need me to work with them.
It's okay for you to look for elderly in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. You will be given on the weekdays off. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Hello, good day, ma'am. I will promise that I will do my best, my duties, my responsibilities, and I will promise that I will finish my contract. And I'm also a hardworking person and trustworthy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2230.